Hi guys, David with Trim Parts, and today we're out in the shop today and we're taking a look at exterior door handles for your car. Now door handles, look, they often get overlooked, right? We grab them, we use them a ton, but when they work, they work. The chances are good if your original door handles are still on your car, they're either faded or they're pitted. And door handles are something that are really fitment critical. A lot of manufacturers make a door handle, one door handle that fits a lot of different cars, but not Trim Parts, because the curvature of a door, where that door handle mounts to, makes all the difference in the world and if it's going to sit level or not. Trim Parts has gone long yard. They use original GM tooling where it's available, and when it's not, they source an original door handle and they go out and make the tooling so it's brand new. Either way, they sweat the details. What we have here are two versions of the same door handle. This is part number 4155 and 4155B, and they fit 66 to 67 Chevrolet various applications. Now again, it matters whether it's a two-door, a four-door, a coupe, or convertible. So Trim Parts has actually done the research to make sure that you get the right door handle, not only from a fitment where it mounts to the door, but also the push rod where it activates the actual door latch mechanism is going to be correct. On my right, I've got the chrome version, which is a beautiful piece. Trim Parts has been making this item for a long time. It's a triple chrome plated and comes with everything you need to install it. It comes as a pair, meaning you get both the driver's side and the passenger side door handle. You get the gaskets and the mounting bolts, and you also, as I said earlier, get the correct push rod length, so all you have to do is bolt this thing on. New to Trim Parts is this door handle here that I have on my left, which is a black door handle. Look, with the Pro Touring and the Resto Mod movement, people are moving away from chrome in some cases and going with a blacked out theme, even black wheels. That extends all the way to some of their chrome trim. And what Trim Parts has done is they brought out a whole series of black items, exterior trim items for your car. And in this case, we've got the black door handle, the exterior door handle here. They have emblems as well that would, like the Chevrolet script, for example, that would be done in black. But this is done in an automotive grade finish that'll be long lasting and durable. It's a matte finish, so it's not super shiny or bright, but it's more of an understated look. It's a totally custom look, and it's one that's going to last a long time. Again, with this part, it comes as pairs, meaning you get the driver's side and the passenger side, and you also get the needed gaskets and the bolts to bolt it up. Either way you go, you're getting a quality piece. Chrome is more traditional, it's more restoration correct, or if you want to go wild, get the black door handles and the black emblems for your car and give it a mean attitude. It's unlike anything else that anyone will have, more than likely, but it's very cool. Trim Parts products are available at leading restoration and performance retailers all across this great country. And when the details matter, when you want the very best for your car, make sure you ask for Trim Parts products by name. There is a difference.